So we're up and running. We're back to the original coil. That was okay, so I switched it back over. That condenser was screwed. We've got some water in it now, although it's rapidly disappearing. I think we've got maybe the water pump, I don't know. Maybe the water pump's leaking. But yeah, it sounds, I mean, listen to it, it's just beautiful. I can't believe it's actually running on the fuel that's in the car. 32 years old, that fuel. Heater pipes, yeah, we've got heat going in, coming out. We're warming up a little bit. Temperature gauge is okay. Got the heater blower on. No strange smoke coming out the back. Just going to top the water up just a tad, maybe. But yeah, I'm just looking at. Yeah, I mean it's bizarre, isn't it? But it's okay. I can't believe it. Just can't believe that it's okay. Top some more water up now and see what happens.